Hello everyone. Welcome to third episode of the Daily Target series. And today's target is this. Simply, it is a symbol of, I think it is the peace or the truce symbol. I don't clearly remember which one it is. So let's begin. First, as always, cut it. Body, paste. And now we'll put a class, which I'll name outer. And then comes body, background color, or we can simply write background. It's the same thing. And now the color we have to put is this. So we'll just paste it. Now what we have to do is do display, flex, justify, content, center, align, items, and again center. Okay, now we have to change the size for the div, and we'll also change the name, so it would be outer. We need to increase the width. Let me place it here first. So the size should be, I think, 300. Okay, I went on the wrong axis. 250. Yep, 250 is the correct one. Like, it's the most accurate one. Then we have to change the border radius, which isn't much difficult, as it's just this. Now we also have to change the color, which I didn't do before. So it is, just let me take the color from here. So paste, and we are good to go. Now we have to create another div. Like, I'll simply copy paste it. Copy, paste, and this one would be named inner. Like, I do not take much time to name things because, like, no one is going to be watching later on that what this code is. Like, I wouldn't be giving the size 250 pixel. I would rather give the size of 200 pixel. And we need not be tensed about the position because obviously it's okay. Let's just keep it inside the inner. It would be easier. So cut out. And now here we have to give additional properties, which are display, flex, justify, content, center. I don't know why I just go for align content instead of align items. And we also have to change the background color, or I'll simply write background, and it would be this. So paste. Now we have to do border radius. Oh, why am I doing center here, bro? Okay, we have to decrease it a little bit. Maybe 190, 180, 70. Okay. I'm changing the width and expecting to get the correct value for the height. My bad. Yeah, it's the correct value. Now we have to make 3 more divs. Or maybe I would say like 1 more div, and I'll just take 2 other divs in a different way. So first, obviously we need to do this. Ow. Div, class, and I'll name it mid div. Okay, and now I'll create two. I'll call it connection ow, div class connection F and connection S would be their names. Like you can name anything. This is just a random thing that came into my mind and I just followed it. Like I'll make it even shorter because the word count does matter when we are working on such websites. So it's better to work in this way. Even I'll change this. Like here should be only I, here should be only O, and I'll even change this. No mid exists. Like it's better to go with alphabets. Although most often I do not recommend or practice it, but you know. So now we'll give a width of 200 pixel. Wait. I'm giving the value to M, then why is it having... Okay. Turns out there would obviously be some problem. Okay, but still, I'll just go on for once. Wait, I had to give height 200, not width. So height, today's things are getting quite chaotic. So 30 pixels. Position, absolute. Now good. And now I had to write, what was the word? Wait, did I say word? Bro, I have to change the background color and I'm saying that I forgot a word. That's weird. Hashtag 42 A5 F5. Yeah, I think I need... No, it's... How the hell did it turn out to be the correct value? Like, I just thought it would be 30 by rough estimate and it really turned out to be 30. That's cool. Wait, let me do it to full size. And now I have to give values for C. Okay, so we have... First of all, I'll give half the height, so 100 pixels. 100 pixels. And then comes width would be again 30 pixels. I will not give position. Then give background. And it will remain the same. So 42 A5 F5. Okay, so they are in the middle. Now what we have to do is, first of all, we'll go for F. And we have to put a transform because we need to rotate it. So rotate 45 degree should be enough, I think. Wait, first of all, we have to put display flex in the inner one. So display flex and justify content center. Okay, so now at least it would be near about what we want. And Like I'll also give position absolute here. Like previously I was skeptical about it, but now I know we have to do it. So top 100 pixels maybe. Okay. And for the left, we have to go in minus 100 pixels maybe. Maybe minus 50. 25. 25. Normal. No. 100. 200. Nah. 150. Yeah, 150 seems quite promising. Wait. The left value has to be for the F1 alone. B. And we have to increase the value for top a little bit less, like 140 should do the work. No, 130 is too much. 135. Yeah, 135 is absolutely correct. So let's add, simply copy and paste it. So ow. So let's copy it. Please ignore what just happened. That was a complete accident. And now what I have to do is S. Then I'll put a minus sign. And here it would be right. And as you can see, it's an exact replica. Even if we go with difference, there are like slight differences, but it isn't that much of a concern. So when we do submit, it will give us 600 points straight ahead. And as you can see, it is an exact replica. Also, if in case you were also studying C from the series I started with the C Unraveled series, then today its episode is also going to release. So make sure to check it out. And thanks for watching the video. See you. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.